funny things you find when you're in the bush. I found this yesterday when I was out near Talbot. Sets my metal detector off. Looks like somebody's made a ball out of old rope, and there's something inside it, so we're going to have to cut it open to find out what it is. If anybody knows what this could have been, please drop a comment. Thanks. Well, I'm out in Talbot today again. This little spot over here. Last week I found a 2-grammer, so I thought I'll come back and give it a further try. Gone pretty well over this area here and have not been able to find anything. My car's just over here, and I just pulled a nice little piece out of this hole over here. Which is probably approximately 8 to 9 inches deep, and couldn't hear it at all on the 7000 in difficult. Went into normal and came up very nicely. Only when I got close did I pick it up in difficult. So I've been detecting a little bit further down here and come across another signal which I thought I would film, just in this little hole here. Same sort of thing. Didn't hear anything with difficult. Difficult is now coming up, seeing as I've taken about 3 or 4 inches off, and I'll just set you up and we can film this one together. Pretty confident this is gold. Well, I'll just give you a listen. I'm in normal at the moment, so I'll just switch to difficult, and you'll hear the difference. All right, I'll leave it in difficult, and I'll get digging. If it's anything like the other one, it's going to be a little bit more into the gravels down here. You can hear as I'm hitting the gravels, hitting pretty hard the ground. See if it's still in the hole. Probably is, because the other one was a bit deeper. Yes, and it's coming up now. Good sound. I'll be very surprised if this is not gold. Okay, I think we're getting closer. Definitely a target in that hole. Just let you have another listen. Now screaming at me. I might try the pinpointer and let's have a look see. Sounds like a reasonable target. Just in the side here. We've got it out. just over here. Got it in my hand. Just got to find out which one it is. Like those. Like those. Okay, I see it. It's a nice piece of gold. A very nice piece of gold. Give it a bit of a clean up. There we go. Oh, that's a nice piece. Show it to you in the sun there. Looks a bit like a butterfly. And just for depth, it's about the length of my my pin pointer down. Well, that's number 2 for the day. Very nice. So I've started unraveling the rope, and there's something intriguing inside. I'm not quite sure what it is. Gonna have to open it up and find out. Okay, looks like duct tape that is enclosing something, probably metal. I'll open it up and show you what it looks like. Okay, mystery solved. It's fairly modern. That's a steel bolt or nut, wrapped up in a bit of cloth, then wrapped up with duct tape, and then all put inside this rope to make a ball. Somebody must have been having a cricket match or a soccer match, and it was just an improvised ball. Not too old because of the duct tape.